Welcome to the Cryptosphere. This is Cryptogenic coming at you. Today is Monday, August 9th at 2:51 p.m. here in sunny California. And folks, I believe it is safe to say that the correction is over. Guaranteed? No. Highly likely? Yes. And let me show you why. Looking at this 21-day chart, first of all, it's a weekly chart, and I'm looking at the 21-day EMA, which is this red line here. And I said before that if once we break above and close a weekly candle above this 21-day EMA, the correction is over. And sure enough, yesterday at 5 p.m. here in California, we closed a weekly candle above the 21-day EMA, and the 21-day EMA was actually support for that weekly candle. So we are off and running. We're looking at basically a $56,000 Bitcoin, which is strong. Now, looking at the daily chart, my target is $56,188 for Bitcoin in the short term. And so I am expecting us to hit that target probably, I don't know, within the next week, 2 weeks. But before we get there, I think it's very likely that we're going to retest the 21-day EMA probably sometime this week. Probably before the week is over. I think we're going to retest the 21-day EMA probably somewhere around $41,000. And so going back to this chart here, that would correspond basically with this dotted line here, which I will make a solid line. Depending on what day, we'll be pulling the 21-day EMA higher throughout the week. So depending on what day, I expect us to come down and retest that line, which is very normal. It's great, and that's actually an awesome trading opportunity as well. But in the meantime, we're going to keep going. We're going to press on, and I believe we're going to hit $56,188. Which is very, very strong and very, very encouraging. Now, looking at this XRP chart, I talk to people about crypto all the time. And the thing about crypto is that it is very volatile, but the volatility scares people into thinking that the market moves faster than it does. And this is something I say, but I keep saying, and I'll keep saying it over and over again. If you bought, let's say you bought XRP here on April 12th, 2021, your experience of XRP over the last 119 days is that XRP is trash. That's what you experienced because you bought it and then you lost 58% on your investment over a 119-day period. However, it's a completely different story if you bought it on December 28th. Because if you bought it on December 28th, your experience of XRP is that it's marvelous because you've made 376% on your investment. And so it's the volatility of crypto that causes people to feel like crypto is trash, or they think it's better than it actually is, that you're going to make thousands of percentage points in a day or a week or a month or even in a year. And that's not the case. Investing in crypto, it is fast-paced. That's what volatility is. I mean, you're looking at one candle here, and you're seeing on this one candle a fluctuation of, 168%. Well, actually, it's the opposite direction. In this one candle, you're experiencing from the top wick of the candle to the bottom of the wick of the candle, you're experiencing a loss of 62% in a single week, right? So, what did I do? Right? So that scares people out of the water, and that causes people to think that crypto is something other than it is. And that's why I love trend lines, because you can simply look at the trend that it's in and see where it's going. It doesn't guarantee it's going to stay in the trend, but as long as it remains in the trend, look where it's heading. I mean, just staying in this trend, it's heading up there between $8 and $13 before the end of this year, which is really exciting. And I actually think that by November, we could actually break above this line, and we can blow these numbers out of the water. I think we could hit the $20 mark. $25 is the top of my expectation for this year. I actually think it could go much higher, but in the cryptogenic portfolio, $25 is the top. So yeah, we're seeing the MACDs are flattening out, and I believe they're getting ready. It looks like they're getting ready to turn bullish. The RSI, I haven't done anything with the RSI here, but looking at the RSI, it looks like we can do something like, something like this. We see support there. Oh, All right, what are we doing with the top of the RSI here? Looks like we can do something like this and see support there, or something like this. Yeah. So what we're seeing, though, is that we're seeing higher lows in the RSI. We found support there, and if it heads up towards the top here, this should head up towards the top here. Strongly bullish for XRP. Setbacks are nothing but a setup for a comeback. So you got to keep, and especially in crypto, you got to keep that in mind, that a setup is nothing but a, what did I do? A setback is nothing more than a setup for a comeback. All right, I don't know what I did there. Forget that. You saw it. Let's move on to LTC. LTC, I'm expecting a $1,000 LTC by the end of this year. I think the MACDs are getting ready to turn bullish. This is a weekly chart. So when the MACDs turn bullish on a weekly chart, I mean, look what happens when the MACDs turn bullish on a weekly chart. You're talking about, you're talking about a progression, a bullish progression that's going to go on for quite some time. So look at this. Let's just take from when the MACDs turned bullish here, which is somewhere around here. We saw an 821% rise for LTC. And LTC is strong because it's still far beneath its all-time high. Well, not far beneath, but it's still, it touched its all-time high. And I don't think it even touched its all-time high over here. We got really close to its all-time high, and it got rejected at its all-time high. Let's see. It might have touched it. It might have touched it. But it was definitely rejected at that all-time high. And so, we double bottomed down here. And now we're making our way out. There's the all-time high, and there's the target. So my target for the end of this year is minimum $1,000 for Litecoin. And I think we're heading there strongly. We're seeing the 21-day EMA here, and we're going to break above it, probably retest it, and then move on. XLM, I think, is going to be the big winner between now and the end of the year. XLM is going to be one of the biggest winners. I really think it is. I think XLM, my target for this year is $5. If you look at the cryptogenic portfolio, my target for XLM is $5, and I think we're right on track to meet it there. Just kind of looking at this Elliott wave pattern here, I think by the end of the year it's going to be easy to see a $5 XLM. And if that's the case, that's 15x, almost 15x from where it is right now. And that's exciting. It's more than 15x, actually 18x from where it is right now. That is really, really exciting. So don't sleep on XLM. Anything under 30 cents for XLM is a steal. Anything under 30 cents is a steal for XLM. So let's go. Let's go. So this is an exciting time. I mean, this whole time we saw just like a Great Depression come over the crypto market, a Great Depression when we got to here and we went all the way down to here, and it was 70 days. That's just for XLM, but for other currencies like let's just take Litecoin, because I think this was depressing. This was really depressing. We got here and we went all the way down here, and it's been 91 days. 91 days of consolidation. Well, folks, we're coming to the end of that consolidation period, and now we're getting ready to break out. We're seeing consecutive bullish weekly candles. And so that's very, very encouraging, very, very strong. And, we're going to see some exponential breakouts between now and the end of the year. It's going to get really, really exciting. Don't give up on crypto, folks. Don't give up. Yes, don't give up. Make every effort to sleep in peace every night, wake in joy every morning, and walk in love every day. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just telling you my opinion, and I'll tell you what I'm doing, but I'm not telling you what to do. So please use your own adult brain and make your own adult decisions. With that being said, if you enjoyed this content and you want more, please like and subscribe to this channel and leave me a note letting me know. I got my new computer now, and I'm doing my best. I'm going to be doing my best to knock out a lot more consistent content for you in the days to come. So appreciate your encouragement. And many of you have encouraged me when I do put out videos, saying that you miss and want more of my videos. I've got content for you that's ready to go. Honestly, I've got videos that I just have made but haven't had time to edit. So video editing continues to be one of my major woes. But having this new computer helps because it's faster. I just got a new iMac, and also working on just kind of a new workflow for getting videos edited. Anyway, with that being said, like, subscribe, leave me a message, or leave me a comment if you don't mind. Appreciate you all. With that being said, this is Cryptogenic signing out.